guys, Harmony, and welcome back to my channel. So today I have some Karina Garcia slime sent to us by Craft City. And here are some cards they sent us. And this one just is talking about how you can exclusively get them at Target. And this one is just promoting all of the slime kits and squishy kits. Like make your own squishy art, make your own slime bundle, and some other kits like lip kits, bath bombs, and slime kits. So, oh, and also on the back, they have more pre-made slime for you like galactic, glitter, slimy soda, or super. And it's really cool. So let's get opening. Ooh. Whoa. All right, so let me take some of these. Whoa, what are these? Oh, it's a stress ball. Oh my, go everywhere. Oh, it's a squishy. Oh, it's a lollipop. I love the packaging, it's so cute. Okay, guys, so first I got this stress ball, and it is so cool. And I love all the different color Orbeez in it. It looks so cool when you like squish it. Whoa. So that is so cool. And I also got a squishy with a little keychain on it. And pink is my favorite color. It's also got some chocolate drizzles. This donut looks so good. And it's so soft. Alright guys, so on to the slime. So I am going to start with the fire and ice slime. Ooh. Let me take this out. Whoa, look at that. Oh, that looks so cool. Alright, so here's the fire and ice slime. So, I really like the little gems. And this slime is really glittery, so pretty. Uh-oh. So here's what the gem looks like. And on to the next slime. And this slime was from the Super Slime. Next we have this cherry cola, and this is the slimy soda slime pack. So we did have to add a little bit borax to this because it was like really runny. But we just added a little so it can make it thick again. And it smells really good. It smells like the cherry cola. Really strong. Alright, so next we have pink glitter, and this is the glitter slime pack. Whoa, look how gorgeous that looks. It smells like watermelon. Whoa, look how pretty that is. Oh my gosh. So glittery. That watermelon smells good. And I love the color. So pretty. Alright guys, so the last slime is Blackberry Blast Off, and this is the Galactic Slime Pack. So let's open it up. Whoa, it's got some glitters in it. Whoa, I can smell it from here. It's strong. So the scent is, of course, raspberry or black raspberry. Oh, the bottom has all the glitter. Whoa, look at how cool that looks. This one's so pretty. Okay, so I'm gonna poke it. Okay guys, so that's it for this video. I would like to thank Karina Garcia and Craft City for sending this awesome package. So make sure you guys check out Target because these are exclusively at Target. So guys, please like, subscribe, and comment down below what you guys want to do in the next video. Bye!